Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Yes guys, you got it right. Isencane Lengane is back with another season. Now I'm not so sure why they don't promote the show that much, you guys, because when it came back last week, some of us were surprised and we're like, Abo, Isencane Lengane is back. But anyway, you guys, let's get right into the review, guys. Usiyacela has not changed, and listen, we're on episode 2. Ubabu Tabete Ubaba Tando, he is still in the show, you guys. So anyway, one of the scenes that we see Ulokuzana Ubaba Tando, he decides ukuthi abize meeting with Usiyacela nomalume wakhe. He calls a meeting umalume wakhe, the father's brother. He calls a meeting, and he's calling a meeting, Gupi, guys, a restaurant. I'm just like, how are you calling a meeting a restaurant? I don't get that. Because if uzokhuluma nabantu abadala or umuntu omdala, how are you going to speak serious matters in a restaurant? I get. Anyway, bafike, and then uThabethe, he goes on to say, Wuti is that the reason why he called them here today is because he wants to fix this relationship between him and Usiyacela, because he can see Wuti they don't get along and whatnot. When that meeting started, guys, I was just like, usafunani uThabethe ulengane, because iyamdelela, and he can see Usiyacela akamboni, and nothing's going to change. So uThabethe nje uthanda attention, because he can see ukuthi izinto will never go back, or things will never get to a point where these two respect one another. Guys, Siyacela still disrespectful as ever, and listen, Siyacela has reached a point of no return. At this point, guys, I don't know ukuthi what is going to help Siyacela. Angazi ukuthi if he needs to go to that boot camp, yaseMoja Love, I don't know, but Siyacela, listen. Hey guys, akekho umuntu ozokhuza leya ngane. Anyway, while uThabethe sakhuluma laphayana, as ekhuluma ngokuthi uThando ingane yami, and yes baganiwe, uThando noSiyacela, they are married, kodwa ezinye izinto as ubaba, I feel like kumele ngizingene. As uThabethe speaking like that, Usiyacela then says ukuthi awuyikhulisanga leya ngane wena nja. Ayibo guys, he goes on to say ukuthi uyinja wena, uhluleka ukukhulisa ingane yakho, uzothi uThando ingane yakho namhlanje yinja wena. Ayibo guys, I'm just like Usiyacela uyadelena. Uyadelela, and umalume uhleli laphayana, he's like, mana Siyacela, akushiwa lokho. But you can see ukuthi he is not here for peace sake. Lo amalume ke kaSiyacela, in his diary station, he says ukuthi hayibo, mina I would have done the same thing that Siyacela did, because uThabethe uyasidelela. Why ezosibizela meeting ema-restaurant, whereas ikhaya likhona where we can discuss these things? I'm just like, lo malume, bonke guys, we know ukuthi le kwadlamuka basaba uSiyacela, and quite frankly, they're the ones who are enabling Usiyacela. Hayibo guys, next thing, Lokuzana ubaba kaThando was like, hayibo mina ngeke ngithuke ingane, Siyacela uyangithuka. Siyacela like uyinja vele ini. Hayibo uThabethe gets angry, guys, he gets up, he throws the plate of food, because he had a plate of food in Siyacela's face. Hayibo guys, the fight we've been awaiting has finally happened. Kodwa guys, all I'm gonna say is score is Siyacela 1, Thabethe 0 at this point. uThabethe is disappointing as a country, guys, because all of us, we wish we could just lay our hands on Usiyacela, you guys. Hayibo uThabethe just says ukuthi hayibo mina ngithi ngiyala, next thing ngiphansi. So he said ukuthi umalume kaSiyacela, he's the one who disturbed him, and Usiyacela would have hit him, you guys, because uThabethe was on the floor, and Usiyacela was on top. So that position was very dangerous, you guys. But anyway, next thing we see uThabethe is going to Yolandi Podlela, guys. He wants to hit Usiyacela. Next thing uThando, kapulapi emanje. uThando, guys, she was in the car. Now she's telling Babu ukuthi lahi Podlela, yo guys. I was just like, no, no. There uThabetha is like ngizobulala yazwa. You won't leave la emlazi ngingakuthintanga wena. That time ubani makasiyacela in his diary session he's like, hayi mina ngibukele. I just want to see ukuthi izophelelaphi le ndaba. He takes uSiyacela side. I'm just like, that time uSiyacela, even when uSiyacela was busy talking nonsense, no malume, I didn't feel like he accused uSiyacela enough, you guys. But listen, all I'm gonna say, guys, no matter how your father has been a deadbeat and whatnot, the moment your husband or your spouse lays hands on your parents, guys, it's a no-no. Amnandaba ukuthi uThabethe udelela kanjani ukuthi like whatever he has, but uSiyacela laying hands on him, guys. No. And that time uThando is taking uSiyacela's side. She's busy vimbering ubaba wakhe and she's like, no, I'm like, go vimba your husband and go kuza your husband there. Leave your father because, I mean, like he was provoked. Yes, it's wrong. uThabethe, he needs to discipline himself, guys, because not every situation requires a reaction. And I was asking myself, uyena uThabethe bekacabangani going to a meeting, one man, one man, why didn't he bring an elder or backup or something like that? I'm just like, yo, Thando, shemindaba kaThando angazi ukuthi she says it to herself ukuthi akazi ukuthi izolungiseka kanjani le ndaba. I don't see it lungering, guys, but uThando, she needs to put boundaries because uSiyacela uthukuma wakhe and then he's laying hands on her father. He lays hands on her. Hi, guys, in Klavin Mosley. That's a wild beast at this point. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there because for that episode, it ends with that fight. We'll see, I'm sure, about what's happened. Or about Dlamuka, they're going to want inhlawulo for uThabethe for laying hands or for initiating the fight first because yabazi ke about Dlamuka every time bona bahlezi befuna inhlawulo. But the Thabethas have never asked, or the Msomis have never asked for inhlawulo, despite how disrespectful uSiyacela has been. Oh no, I think they have. No, I can't remember. But yeah, they need to calm down, guys. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.